Level 9, Advanced. The Farmer and the Stork. A hard-working farmer had just sown his field with seeds. But each morning, he found flocks of hungry birds descending upon the soil, stealing what he had planted. He clapped, shouted, and waved his arms, but the thieves always returned. At last, he laid a wide net across his field. The next day, the trap was full blackbirds, sparrows, and among them, a tall, graceful stork. The stork cried, "Please, kind farmer, have mercy on me. I am no thief. I came here only by chance. I am known for helping men and caring for my old parents." The farmer said sternly, "Perhaps all that is true, but you are caught with the guilty, and so you must share their punishment. Those who fly with thieves cannot escape their fate." The stork bowed his head in shame, realizing that by joining bad company, he had lost his good name.